Could you turn $10,000 into a dividend empire? What if I told you this modest sum could unlock a strategy to secure your financial future? Today, I'm taking on that challenge to show you exactly how to transform $10,000 into a reliable, growing source of passive income. Hello, I am Steven, and welcome to the Money Mentor Hub. With over a decade in investment banking and experience as a Fortune 500 finance executive, I've guided countless individuals towards financial freedom. In this video, I will reveal how to strategically invest $10,000 to create a dividend empire that works for you, even while you sleep. Stay tuned, because what you learn today could be a game changer. Now many people underestimate dividends, dismissing them as pocket change. But here's the truth. Dividends, when paired with the power of compounding, can be a financial superpower. Reinvesting your dividends allows your wealth to grow exponentially, earning returns on your returns over time. It's a strategy that turns passive income into an engine for wealth creation. But let me address a common myth. Dividend investing is not just for retirees or those looking for immediate cash flow. It's for anyone seeking to build long-term wealth. By constructing a diversified portfolio of high-quality dividend-paying stocks, you can secure a growing income stream regardless of market conditions. Here's the exciting part. In just a moment, I will share a proven strategy to navigate market uncertainty while steadily increasing your income. Whether you're a novice or an experienced investor, these tactics can set you on a path to financial independence. To start, focus on companies with strong histories of paying and increasing dividends, stalwarts like Johnson & Johnson or Coca-Cola. These businesses offer reliable income and potential for capital appreciation. But diversification is equally vital. By spreading your investments across sectors and industries, you reduce risk and open the door to enhanced returns. Imagine combining rock-solid dividend payers with high-growth opportunities to create a portfolio designed for resilience and growth. Now here's a question for you. What if you could simplify this process and accelerate your progress? Stay with me, because I'm about to reveal how dividend-focused ETFs can revolutionize your strategy. Dividend ETFs are a fantastic tool for investors seeking diversification. With a single investment, you gain exposure to a broad basket of dividend-paying stocks. These funds typically come with lower fees and require less management, making them perfect for beginners or those seeking simplicity. Add in the magic of reinvesting dividends, and your portfolio can grow significantly faster than you might imagine. Here's an example. Invest $10,000 in a stock with a 5% yield. In the first year, you earn $500 in dividends. Reinvest that, and the next year, you earn dividends on $10,500, not just your initial investment. Over time, this compounding effect snowballs, turning modest beginnings into substantial wealth. As your portfolio grows, so does your dividend income, providing steady cash flow to meet your financial goals, whether it's early retirement, world travel, or achieving complete financial independence. But how do you start building this empire? Coming up in the next video, I'll walk you through the practical steps to structure and grow your dividend portfolio, ensuring you're set up for long-term success. Before we continue, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the Money Mentor Hub. Your support helps us bring more actionable insights to help you achieve financial freedom. To summarize, starting with $10,000, you can craft a dividend portfolio that unlocks financial independence. By selecting high-quality stocks, diversifying your investments, and consistently reinvesting dividends, you set the stage for a sustainable and growing income stream. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you ready to explore dividend investing, or have you already started your journey? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear your experiences. Thank you for watching. If you're ready for the next step, check out the video on your screen now for more strategies to maximize your returns. Until next time, let's continue building your financial freedom together.